Our Tuesday, let's go ahead and say good morning to Jen. Jen, good morning to you. What's our Tuesday looking like?
Good morning, Chelsea. And our Tuesday, it's looking nice out there once again. Still expecting sunny and dry conditions across the Gulf Coast. You can start to see all of that rain further off towards the west, the northwest. We need it here, but we're not going to be seeing that heading into today. Looking in just a little bit closer, clear sunny skies is what we're beginning to see. Just some of that cloud cover beginning to push in along the Florida Panhandle, some of our coastal areas, some green out there, just some clutter on the radar. No rain out there currently, and temperatures beginning to warm up. We're starting to see more of those lower to mid 60s for our inland areas, mid to upper 60s as you head closer towards the coast. Already seeing some lower 70s out there in Pascagoula and Gulf Shores. And then right now, taking a look at the wind gust speeds that we're beginning to see today, a little bit on the breezy side. We could start to see some of those gusts get up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So do just be cautious in case you're spending any time outdoors. Again, breezy conditions possible. And so over the next few hours, temperatures, we're going to continue to warm up. We're going to be seeing more of those lower to mid 80s for daytime highs. Not quite feeling like we're at the mid to late October. Instead, these temperatures more reflective of late September. So not quite feeling like the season that we're in, but still staying sunny, staying dry, and truly a beautiful day out there. Just be cautious, however, in case you're heading on down towards the beach. Now that we're starting to see some of those winds increasing, getting on the gusty side, the rip current risks, those are also extremely high heading into today, tomorrow, plus also Thursday, really just continuing for the full week ahead of us. That surf height around 2 to 4 feet. Make sure you're being cautious in case you are visiting us here on the Gulf Coast. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the rest of the week, and all those weekend plans. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.
Burn some calories, make some room there, because you got to eat when it comes to Thanksgiving, right, Jen?
That is exactly right. Looking forward to the holiday, and you know what? Hopefully we'll have good weather for that as well. But taking a live view outside right now, things look beautiful out there. Although we're expecting more of those warmer temperatures heading into today. Currently we're resting in the upper 60s, dew points lower 60s. The camera a little shaky out there. Again, breezy conditions possible heading into today, and traffic moving smoothly on the Bayway. Now, as we make our way deeper into today, temperature is going to be warming up into the lower to mid 80s, upper 70s closer towards the coast, but we're not going to be feeling quite like we are at the end of October. With these lower to mid 80s, this is more reflective towards the end of September, because typically this time of year we should be resting in the upper 70s. Instead, we're going to be staying around 5 to 8 degrees above that for many areas heading into today. Morning temperatures also straying away from what we should typically be seeing, and luckily not near a record heading into today. Now, taking a look at our forecast heading later on into the rest of this evening. Overnight, we still have the potential for some of that patchy fog to develop, mainly by the time we just get closer towards beginning tomorrow morning. And then in case you're heading on down towards the coast, high rip current risk heading into today, tomorrow, and also Thursday. Make sure you are being extremely cautious out there. That surf height around 2 to 4 feet. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the rest of the week, what's going on in the tropics, and also your weekend forecast. All that's coming up soon. Joe.